WhatsApp is set to make your chats more interesting with a handy new feature. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. WhatsApp has reportedly launched a new feature named Image to Sticker, allowing users to quickly create and copy stickers from images, but it's currently available to selected users only. Meta-owned instant messaging platform said that when users tap on an image, a dedicated sticker menu appears with two options. The first lets users open the sticker editor to create a sticker where they can choose from different variations, as they normally do. WhatsApp is continuously working on providing users with a better platform experience, with new features to enjoy chatting with their friends and family without any second thought to switch the platform. The platform says that the feature would be available to more users in the coming days. This shortcut opens the sticker editor and performs the same action already available through the overflow menu. All you need to do is open any chat on WhatsApp and tap the sticker icon, then tap Create and select a photo from your gallery. WhatsApp will automatically remove the background and offer an outlined version. You can edit that by adding text, drawing, or adding emojis from the top menu. Lastly, tap Send to share or tap the sticker in the chat to select Add to Favorites. And if you've got no picture for the sticker, go to the Sticker tab and tap Create. Select Generate with AI and enter a description for your sticker. Select one of the AI generator options and send. And just like that, you can create your own personal gallery of stickers that totally give your vibe. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.